This is the Alpha 3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. Alpha 3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in Sony IMX577 image sensor, Alpha 3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, Alpha 3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, Alpha 3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, Alpha 3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat all in full 1080p. Alpha 3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, MochaCam Alpha 3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case. So this is it, the most advanced action camera that has revolutionized the industry. Get your Alpha 3 today and be the first to experience this one-of-a-kind.
It doesn't matter how old you are, it matters how young you feel. My name is Akane Pumsa, 73 years old, and I'm a photographer. My work is fashion and some portrait. Portrait is the person, picture of the person, the character, personality, the attitude of that person.
You know Hasselback?
Yeah, why not? Hasselblad is like a household name. Most photographers use it with the Instax of the normal camera. You can see, the way of the depth of field work because of the quality of the lens and the camera. This with Hasselback and with the Hasselback body, you can tell right away that's different. Yeah, with the Hassel, the design of the camera is never changed, and it always look professional. And we used to have a Polaroid back, but then it's gone because the film is out. And now it's back again. It has back with the new Polaroid back, different size, but it's Polaroid. It's absolutely true. That's a toy for the baby, but not for the man like me. Also, the reason with the Instax has made me feel like I can see the picture right away, so I don't have to wait for tomorrow, or next week, or next month. I might be dead before that. Nobody knows. It is.
The greats of photography are back. I'm back.
I work very hard to develop the digital back for the analog cameras 35mm. But I realized that the family is still not complete. The analog cameras have still a lot to deliver. Here we are. I am back for medium format. Enjoy!
Our goal is to unlock the creativity that is in you, to have a lot of fun and to revive the medium format analog photo cameras. Unback MF is a low-cost and multi-brand digital back. All you need is only one device and you can start using again the 6x4.5, 6x6 and 6x7 cm analog cameras. With I'm Back, you can take full format digital pictures, make videos and always switch back to analog film photography. The result is something very special. Although it is digital, it keeps the genuine warm and grainy vintage pictures.
I was sitting at home when I received a phone call from Samuel explaining about I'm Back. I realized that there are more than 600 million analog photo cameras that were produced since the 1970s, and almost all of them are still sitting in a box or on a shelf taking a lot of dust. This was the point when I realized, together with Samuel, that we need to give a second life to all these analog cameras.
An extremely affordable solution to use your fantastic analog photo camera in a digital way. The greats of photography are back. I'm back.
This is the story of how VEZO changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my VEZO 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VEZO begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VEZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But VEZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VEZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VEZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, VEZO's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that VEZO is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take VEZO outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the VEZO app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, VEZO.